What's up, guys? You just picked up a UP60AC ultra power charger. I'm just going to give you guys a quick demonstration on how to hook it up and begin charging. Today we're going to be using a 2-cell 5200. This is just a run-of-the-mill 2-cell. Regular hookups. We got a Dean's lead, which is what the charger comes with. So I'm just going to show you guys how to hook it up real quick. You can go ahead and open the box. Right on top, you got your instruction manual. Definitely gonna want to give that a read through. On the side, comes with your cables. You got a power cable and a Dean's lead. Make sure if you guys are just getting this that you grab the correct charge lead to match your battery or have the plug changed. Charger comes wrapped up. Pull it out. You want to uncoil your power cable. First, you're going to take the cable, goes into the back of the charger. These can be a little tight, so make sure you give it a good wiggle. Plug it into the power strip. Charger should power up. Just give it a second. So this is your basic home screen when you first take it out of the box. It is already set to LiPo, 2 amps. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to just program it real quick for the different type of battery. Technically this would work right out of the box for the battery that we have. We're going to show you real quick. Plug in the main leads, red, black, just like that. These chargers have the balance built right into the front, so we don't have a board to plug in on this one. So when you plug in your balance lead, note the negative side and the positive side. The balance lead, negative and positive. Go ahead and plug it in, just like so. Set it back down. Plug in your main lead. So now we have our battery properly hooked up. So at this point, technically you could just start charging, but I'm going to go ahead and change the settings so we can charge it a little faster. So you tap the battery program button. This is where you can click the enter button. Oops, sorry. You can click the status plus button and change your battery type. We want to keep it on LiPo. So we're going to hit enter to go back to our home screen. So make sure we're on LiPo. Then we're going to hit the plus button again to go to charge. Now you can go fast charge and storage at this point, but we just want to charge. So we're going to tap the enter button. Now our amps are blinking. I'm going to go set this one to 5 amps. And you want to check your battery and see what the C charge you can charge it at. So we're going to set this one to 5. Enter, locks it in. Now we're blinking over here. Now this is already set to 2-cell, but if you got a 3 or a 4, you can click it there. See how it cycles through? We're going to leave it at 742S. Lock it in. Now nothing should be blinking. It should be at this screen here. And you're going to go and hold the charge button. It's going to make sure you have it hooked up properly. Now make sure you hit enter again to start it. Now the charger has started. The amperage will slowly climb. The voltage will go up. The charge time is starting to elapse, and the milliamps will go up. Now at this point, you're just going to let the battery charge. It'll make a little beeping chime and say the charge is complete. So that's how you use the UP60AC. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun with your toys.